Primetime news this evening. Fresh concerns about student-athlete accommodation during champs. Haitian orphans to arrive in Jamaica Thursday. And will the opposition attend the remainder of the budget debate session?
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. Special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and on onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, in addition to your usual gas prices, I'll have some news on Sagicor Bank's new branch in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The details later on.
All right, thank you so much, Javon. Now, Giovanni Dennis, he's here with a preview of what's to come this evening in Primetime Sports. Giovanni?
Well, Herman, one record has already tumbled on day 2 of champs. I'll tell you which and by who. And also, all the 100-meter finals to come. We'll have that plus so much more in Primetime Sports.
Thank you, Giovanni. And as he predicted, it did rain in the corporate area this afternoon. Romaine Robinson, what more can you tell us about the weather?
Indeed it did, and in parts of the west as well. We had 50 millimeters in some sections of St. Elizabeth and as much as 20 millimeters in the corporate area. But I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
All right, now there's also sports commentary and the E-Prime in the newscast. But before the break, here's our feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what should be done to ensure student athletes get comfortable accommodation for champs?
Now you can share your comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica or on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.